Hey guys, my name is Jeff Rojas and I'm a commercial and editorial photographer based out of New York City. And I'm here today on behalf of B&H to introduce the new DJI Ronin SC. This is the newest gimbal of the Ronin line, and it is by far the lightest unit that's being made, and it's specifically intended for mirrorless cameras. It's incredibly lightweight at 1.1 kilograms, or about 2.4 pounds, and it has a tested load capacity of up to 2 kilograms, or about 4 pounds of weight. DJI has focused on making this model incredibly easy to use with features like Active Track 3.0 with precise subject recognition and tracking. For those of you that currently own the Ronin-S, you'll quickly fall in love with some mechanical locks that lock each axis, allowing you to either set it to a balancing position or setting it to a storage position. And what that's going to allow you to do is either get to your next location and not have to automatically rebalance that specific unit, or store it away to make sure that it's nice and safe. In terms of stability, you have an industry-leading algorithm to make sure that you have fast and accurate tracking with whatever you're trying to create. With modes like Sport Mode, the Ronin SC delivers a superior tracking experience during high action shoots, which can simply be engaged by holding the M button to trigger Sport Mode and double pressing the trigger to lock that Sports Mode. In terms of load capacity, again, the Ronin SC is going to hold up to about 2 kilograms of weight, or about 4 pounds, and that's going to allow you to use longer lenses, use other accessories, add weight to the specific unit that you might not otherwise be able to do. Again, you're going to be able to add accessories to this and make it customized to your specific needs. My favorite part of the Ronin SC, however, is its user-friendliness. Anyone can use it, especially with the technologies that they've incorporated into the specific unit. That technology, like the Active Track 3.0, is highly precise, both in subject recognition and tracking. Also, Force Mobile allows you to use the phone's gyroscope to motion control the gimbal movement of the Ronin SC with incredibly low latency. We tested this feature in a skate park handheld, but I'd absolutely recommend mounting your phone to a fluid head tripod and trying that out for yourself. I can confidently say that we used the Ronin SC as a production grade gimbal. We filmed myself shooting outside of a moving vehicle, riding on a motorcycle. My production team sat there in a taxi cab as we headed to a skate park and filmed with the Ronin SC. With over 10 hours of battery life, 40% lighter than previous models, and the ability to go out and shoot 50 miles an hour in a car and hold up all of that wind hitting these small motors, I can confidently say that this is a great production unit. On top of that, we shot at a skate park, which involves a lot of movement, a lot of motion. If you notice, I'm shooting on a skateboard. Being able to use that to film the specific skateboard that we wanted to film for the day allowed me to go through those motions and get something that was slow motion, as an example. Take some beautiful shots of him doing some really cool tricks at that specific skate park. In addition to that, you have panorama and time lapse and motion control and motion lapse, all of that technology built into this small frame. If you're in the market for a gimbal, for a mirrorless camera, I highly recommend that you check out the new DJI Ronin SC. It's going to change the way that you shoot video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have an incredible